Let's see if it can climb over some obstacles.
Wow! Whoa, it flipped! Science says so fun!
If you like it, come build it with us. Let's start. Step 1. Install the switch. We need to put the switch right here. Step 2. Install the base plate. Now connect this wire to the switch. Step 3. Fix the motor. Tighten the screws on the back too. Use a zip tie to hold the wires. Now cut off the extra zip tie. Step 4. Install the side panel. Let's put this side on first. Fix it in place. This board has a star on it. Yep, install it just like that. Now install the back plate. Secure it with screws. Finally, install the front top plate. Put it on carefully. Now screw everything tight. Now install the other side panel. Let's fix it now. Done. Step 5. Install the wheels and tracks. Be careful. The wheels have different sizes. Big wheels on the sides, small ones in the middle. Push hard to install the drive axle. Now install the small wheels. Finally, put on the tracks. All finished. Step 6. Install the turret. Put these two parts together. Now place it on top. The turret can spin too. Add 2 screws inside to secure the turret. Done! Insert 3 AA batteries. Now let's test the tank I made. I worked on this for so long.
Wow, so cool! Why does a tank use tracks instead of wheels?
Because tracks help it move over tough ground. Let's try a small obstacle. Wow, that was easy. Can it push this wall?
Of course it can. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh wow, amazing! Double it! The obstacle is higher now!
Now let's try an even higher one. Wow, it did it again.
Tank versus T-Rex.
The tank could push the T-Rex away easily. Let's try something heavier. Pliers.
Wow, pliers.
Okay, it rolled right over it.
Alright. Because they're too flat.
Yep, too flat.
And super heavy.
Can it carry the pliers?
Testing. Oh, yes, it can. Super awesome!
Can it drive over these barrels?
Oh, the barrels rolled.
That's really tricky. Can the tank push the barrel?
The barrel. Of course!
It's rolling, not pushing. Let's watch how it moves it. It's trying to stick and push. Let's place the barrel like this. Can it climb up? I tipped over.
It fell. It flipped. This tank design is amazing.
The engineers did a great job.
If you like it, subscribe and follow us. See you next time.